Today in Just Travel, our journey is towards Bhagawathi Nature Camp situated at KUDREMUKHA National Park. Bhagawathi Nature Camp is really splendid and one should visit without fail. It is 11 kilometers from KUDREMUKHA. Right from the entrance, one can enjoy scenic view and this camp promises you most memorable stay. The check-in time is 12 noon and buffet is organized at 1:30 p.m. at Golgar. At 4 p.m., tea or coffee with biscuits is given to the guests before the nature walk. At 4:30, one can go for nature walk for about 1.5 kilometers along with a naturalist from the camp. And one can learn about plants, trees, butterflies and birds. At 6:30 p.m., snacks along with soup is served to the guest. At 7 p.m., documentary movie on Shola Forest is shown in the auditorium. At 8:30 p.m., it is the time for buffet dinner at Golgar. Next day morning, guests if interested can repeat the nature walk or opt for Kurinjal Peak trekking, which is about 14 kilometers and starts after breakfast at 8:30 a.m. This activity is at an additional cost to the guest. Guests can also opt for KUDREMUKHA Peak Trek route which starts early in the morning at 5 a.m. at an additional cost. One of the most interesting activity is the Jeep Safari at an additional cost. This is worth every minute since you can view the best landscape of Shola Forest. Safari is at 4:30 p.m. or 6:30 a.m. for 2 hours time. You can also gain knowledge about Shola Forest during the safari. This is exclusive activity of Bhagawathi Nature Camp. Checkout time is 11 a.m. There are 3 types of rooms: 10-bedded dormitory, tented cottages, and wooden cottages with very good facilities. There is a machan in the camp to have good view of the forest. There is ample parking space for vehicles. Manager and staff will assist you at every step and make your stay very memorable. Kitchen is very neat and they serve homely food to the guests. Very close to the camp, there is Bhadra River and one can spend time at this lovely place. Truly, Bhagawathi Nature Camp from Jungle Lodges and Resorts is sure to carry a very special journey in your life. For details, call Jungle Lodges and Resorts Phone 080 4055 4055 or email info@junglelodges.com. Website www.junglelodges.com.